Hello everyone, welcome to Radamansi Gokul Pet Vlogs. Please subscribe to the channel and like the video if you like. Let's go to common pet video. A pet is a domestic animal that lives with people but it's not forced to work and is not eaten in the most instances. In most cases, pet is kept to entertain people or for companionship. Basically, if we say pet animal, the first thing comes to our mind is a dog. There are 4 different types of pets and they are domestic pet, avian pet, reptile pet and aquatic pet. The 5 most common domestic pet animals that we can have with us at home are dogs, cats, fish, birds, rabbits. In some cases, also guinea pig and hamsters are kept as a domestic pet in houses. Some pets such as dogs and cats are placed in animal shelter if there is no one willing to take care of it. Other animals that are commonly kept as pet includes rodents, pig, goat, cow, horse and also avian pets like parrots, fowls, eagles and other reptile pets like turtles, alligators, crocodiles, lizards and snakes and aquatic pets such as fishes like freshwater and saltwater both type of fish. Fishes are vertebrate animals that live in the water. Fish have gills that extract oxygen from the water under them. There are over 30,000 known species of fish. Some flatfish use camouflage to hide themselves on the ocean and floor. Tuna can swim at speed up to 70 km per hour. Goldfish have teeth at the back of their throat that they use to grind food. Playing dead by floating at the top of a tank can be a smart way of some fish to protect themselves. Fishes were here before dinosaurs. Fish, including many cichlids, are mouth breeders, meaning that the parent carries the egg in their mouth until they are hatched. There are more than 1,000 species of shark. Fishes are mainly kept as pet at home in an aquarium tank with lot of decorations as per the owner's satisfaction or happiness. Do fish like being in the tanks? I am pretty sure they do, but as long as their needs are met, they can still love their lives. Even the best tank at an aquarium can compare with the majestic seas, but they can live longer in the tank since there are no predators. Fish can recognize human face, study shows. A new study says, yes, it probably can. Fish can tell a dozen of new face with a surprising accuracy. This is a big deal. It's first time fish have demonstrated this ability. Do fish love their owners? Yeah. Fish do recognize their owner. Not only this, but they develop a bond with their owner as well. Let's start with reptile pets like snakes, crocodiles and alligators. Snakes are fascinating animal and with regular handling, most of them can be as a quiet time as pet. However, snakes are most obviously not the right pet for everyone. The lifespan of pet snake varies depending on the breed, but the average life expectancy is 15 to 30 years. Some of the popular snake breeds like royal pythons, green tree pythons, corn snake, ball python, and the California king snake, etc. Even though it is your pet, it's always danger to keep with babies and kids. Snakes, like most of the reptiles and amphibians, can harbor salmonella, which is very dangerous. For this reason, you should wash your hands after handling your reptile pets. Crocodile. There are 2 species of crocodile that may be kept as pet, saltwater crocodile and freshwater crocodile. To keep crocodile as your pet, you must get a permit to keep protected wildlife. In urban areas, you can only keep a crocodile that is less than 60 cm long. Even crocodiles belongs to reptile pets, so it is recommended to keep them away from children and babies to avoid danger situation. Crocodiles are the biggest reptile on earth. Since they are big, there is a crocodile species called draft crocodile. They are widespread. Crocodiles are closely related to dinosaurs and birds. They can keep open their jaw in underwaters. They can live long. In olden days, the crocodiles was very long. Let's see some facts about dogs. Dogs. Dogs are the part of family in 46.3 million households in United States, more than any other pet according to the American Pet Product Association. Also, if we consider overall to the world, dogs are the most famous and loved pet animal by humans in every country. There are different breeds of dogs which are originated from different places of different countries. Because of their intelligence and smelling power, loyalty, obedience, guardiness, they become very close to human beings. Dogs are the best companion or partner to entertain or to make us feel happy by playing with us. Dogs can sense our mood whether we are happy or sad or emotional. Dogs are highly energetic breed. They like to play a lot with their owners and a close person known to them. They should be well socialized at the stage of 4 to 8 months old. Otherwise, they would become very aggressive when they see other animals or other unknown peoples. Regular exercise is important to give to your dog by playing or making them to run or take a walk to make them healthy and avoid them to be obese. Cats and dogs will get easily obese as they eat and sleep in our house. Dogs have very good smelling power, so they have take part in the police departments and other guarding departments. Let's see about some facts on cats. Cats. Owning a cat is basically very good to our heart and brain for being peace. Approximately 38.9 million American households own cats, notes the American Pet Products Association. Cats in particular lower stress level possibilities since they don't require as much effort as dogs. Compared to dogs, they are smaller in size. They lower the amount of necessity in your life, putting a cat as a positive calming effect. Basically, cats look very beautiful and cute, so they are also mostly liked by human beings. But cats kill a hell of innocent animals for literally no reason because cats are natural born hunters. In 2013 study says that each year domestic cats kill 20.7 billion smaller animals including mice, chimpanzees, wolves and 3.7 million birds. Even cats protects their owner from any difficulties or from any animals. Let's see some facts about birds. Birds. Birds are a group of warm-blooded vertebrates constituting the class Aves. Characteristics by the feathers, toothless, beaked jaws. They laying hard-shelled eggs, a high metallic grade, a four-chambered heart, and a strong yet lightweight skeleton. The scientific name of the bird is aves. There are around 10,000 species of birds worldwide. From brilliantly colored hummingbirds, birds are among the most beautiful and bizarre creatures on the earth. Ravens. Ravens are the great at mimicking human speech and sound. While ravens in the wild are unlikely to pick up human language, in capacity they can become a quite talkative. Some ravens are even better than parrots at mimicking human speech. Ostrich. Ostrich are very largest bird among everything. It also lays the largest egg and has the fastest maximum running speed of 97 km per hour. Ostrich eyes are the largest of any animal that lives on land. Some of the massive creatures that inhabit the depth of the sea. Approximately the size of a brilliant ball. The first factor in determining your bird's lifespan is its species. Some birds are more smart, generally crows, jack, rooks, jays, etc., and parrots are among the some of the smartest species. Parrots are also known as gold mako parrot, ringneck parrot, mako parrot, and etc. There are different types of bird species. Cardinals, along with several other bird species, sometimes cover themselves in crust or living ants, smearing them over their feathers or allowing living ant to crawl on them. While scientists still aren't sure that what the purpose of anting is, some believe that the bird used their formic acid secreted during their ant batch to help get rid of the lice and other parasites. Owl. When owl catches large animal, they tear them up into more manageable bite-sized pieces. But they have also been known to simply swallow smaller animals. Ducks. When they nap in group, the ducks on the perimeter keep guard by sleeping with one eye open, while the other ducks sleep more deeply. Those on the outside of the circle also keep one side of their brain awake, even as they doze, so that predators won't be able to sneak up them. Parrots. While most parrots only learn around 50 words, some African grey parrots have been known to learn 100. Einstein, a brilliant African grey parrot at zoo in Tennessee, can say around 200 words. One of the most specific and amazing fact of bird is when the bird get impression that they are going to die, they will try to seek shelter. Mostly they seek their shelter at a top place. In most cases, the bird will fly for a place above the ground. If they have to access or to meet in a tree, they will go there. The idea is to die in a peace without risk of predators ending their life before it is time. So this is one of the most beautiful and a specific that birds will follow. The birds are also most beautiful pet animal. The birds comes under avian pets.